Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So I heard an interesting stat. A lot of buyers from New York are buying down here $1 million properties. They're kind of fed up being cooped up in a condo or a brownstone with no yard. Some of them can work remotely. I mean, they've been working remotely all throughout the lockdown, right? So now they're saying, why am I going to stay here in New York with the state income tax and all the other high costs of living there? Instead, they're moving down to Florida, getting a much bigger property with that pool, nice sunny weather, all of that. The best part about it is if they buy it as a primary residence, you don't have to buy all cash. You can put enough money down. 510 is our loan limit down here in Florida. You could put down, if you're buying $1 million property, you could still put 500 down instead of all cash, get a really low interest rate. Right now they're 2.99%, it's a 3.085 APR. Or you can just have it as a second home. Keep your property up there in New York, buy something down here, same rate on a second home, as I mentioned on the primary residence. There's the Florida Keys. Yeah, insurance is expensive because if a hurricane comes and wallops you, you got to have it done right. That's why you need advice from someone down here. Have insurance agents that can help you understand the type of roof you want to have if you're in the Keys, that you want to stay away from a lower living unit on the floor because flood insurance is going to be crazy. Also depends on the year of the property. I heard that if you owned it before 1976, the flood insurance covers you. It happened during Irma, but if you weren't before 1976, the flood insurance didn't cover. That is crazy. So there's a lot of options. There's properties all up and down the coast in Florida, on the beach. Come take a look. Find out. Let me tell you what it would cost for you. Watch one of my previous videos talking about purchasing power with the way the rates are today versus where they were a year and a half ago. 3% versus 5%, that's a huge difference in your purchasing power and that monthly payment that you're gonna have. You're gonna get a lot more property for a lot less cost. Thank you everyone. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd.